Touch, the faculty by which external objects or forces are perceived through contact with the body. Pain. Nociceptors are sensory fibers that respond to stimuli that damage tissue and can cause pain. Different parts of the body are more sensitive to pain than others. Different types of pain. Nociceptive pain caused by sensory nerve fibers that respond to nociceptors. Neuropathic pain caused by damage or disease affecting the nervous system. Psychogenic pain caused by mental, emotional, or behavioral factors. Breakthrough pain, pain that suddenly appears and it's not alleviated by the patient's regular pain management. Incident pain arises as a result of activity. Gate control theory. It prevents pain sensation from traveling to the central nervous system, derived from the specificity and peripheral pattern theory, developed in the 1960s by Ronald and Patrick Wall. It suggests that pain signals encounter nerve gates at the level of the spinal cord, and they need to get past the gates to reach the brain.
Receptor types: free nerve endings, Pacinian corpuscles, tactile corpus, end bulb of Krause, Roufni's end organs. Free nerve endings inform the brain about pain and are located over the entire body. Pacinian corpuscles detect pressure, telling the brain where a limb has moved. After the brain has told a limb, such as an arm, to move, the Pacinian corpuscles tells the brain that the limb has actually moved into the correct position. Tactile corpus, grouped on the skin of the fingertips, lips, and orifices of the body and nipples, only stimulated when touched, and tells the brain the shape and feel of an object in the hand or touch of a kiss. Adjusts constantly to the environment. End bulb of Krause can be found in the skin, conjunctiva, lips, and tongue. Roufni's end organs can be found over the entire body and the skin.
Sense organs.
Sweat glands, excretion, oil glands, blood vessels, nerve endings, epidermis, dermis.
Sweat glands cools the skin, also reduces body temperature.
Small tubular structures within and under the skin.
Excretions, tube-like structures that open directly at the top of the skin, also controls temperature. Oil glands protects hair and skin from being dry.
Secrete an oily substance called sebum that is made of fat.
Blood vessels transport blood around the body and controls blood pressure.
Tubular structure carrying blood through the tissues and organs.
Sense stimuli originating from outside the body: touch, pain, temperature, and sound. It's a structure in which the distal end of the axon of a nerve fiber terminates. Outermost layer of the skin provides a waterproof barrier and makes our skin touch. Thick layer of living tissue below the epidermis that forms the true skin. Thick layer of fibrous and elastic tissue that gives the skin its flexibility and strength. A different pathway slowly carries the message to the brain to get attention. The nerves aren't enclosed by a fatty sheath. The slow fibers block out the fast fibers so you don't feel pain. Slow fibers transmitting signals to the brain. Can be used on its own, but also with any other approach like Medicon to reduce stress and anxiety. The slow pathways can block out the fast ones. Endorphins are chemicals released when you exercise. When released, they interact with the receptors in your brain to reduce your perception of pain. Produces a feeling of pleasure and euphoria similar to the effect of morphine. An example would be a runner's high or a second wind.